What is going on, guys, and welcome back to another video. Today is going to be kind of a mismatch of things going on. I have something for the Subaru, but Joe is also working on the Miata. So if you noticed in the sound clips of the Miata revving, there was like a rattling noise, and you know, we were assuming, well, I was, that it was just the small engine, that's how they sound. But Joe was determined to figure out why it was rattling, and so he looked in the muffler and found this. That's it. So obviously it's not supposed to make noise like that. So obviously through the RPMs it's gonna rattle and make a terrible noise, which it did. So you're gonna get the new muffler.
Yep, we're gonna cut. We love to cut. We love the wafer wheel. Favorite tool.
And then
we're gonna replace it. Cut the brackets off, hook them on.
We sounded really good.
Really good.
So,
but right now,
oh boy,
it sounds even better.
Oh my god.
This is what we would sound like on the track. Oh my god! That is actually insane. I was not expecting it to be that loud. I'm thinking of straight pipes. What do you think?
Oh my god.
We'll just put the pipes on.
Dude, I'm not even kidding. Like, why not? Oh my god.
I could just take this off, pipe it, and we're done.
Have you driven it like that?
Hell no. I get arrested.
No, you wouldn't. Why don't we take this down to advanced? Come on.
No.
Why?
No. Well, I don't have any hangers for one thing.
Okay.
It's just kind of dangling.
Oh my god.
So, you never knew a Miata had so much meat.
Oh my god. So while my dad continues to work on the Miata real quick, I got something from Visual Autoworks, and if you know who Visual Autoworks is, you know probably what it is. Maddie was nice enough to get these for me for our anniversary. It's really awesome, and I'm excited. I've been wanting to do these for a while. I just never really pulled the trigger on them, but she did, so here they are. It's really awesome, and like I said, if you know who Visual Autoworks is, you know probably what these are. They are the window vents for the rear of the car, and they essentially just go into your window like so. The only issue I'm gonna run into, which it's not an issue, but it's just because I did this, but all my vinyls are gonna be down now. So I'd imagine the C-Bond and my Instagram one and possibly the Goon Squad one is gonna have to come off at the minimum, but it's a white vinyl. It can get remade. It's really not that big a deal. So I actually have to go grab the keys for this car and then go ahead and just roll the windows down a little bit and see what vinyls need to come off and then go from there. All right, so grab the Subaru keys. Gonna go just roll the windows down, really. I don't think these really have a side that matters. Pretty tough with one hand. Okay, you know, I can't do this with one hand. Once I get them in, I'll update you. So there's a reason that they include instructions, because I was trying to install them completely different. It's actually very simple. I probably should grab the other vent out of the box though. Okay, so the thing I was trying to do was install the vent with the window down. The way they explain it is a million times easier. You go ahead and set the vent onto the window and then roll it down until this part is touching flush with the seal. Then you slowly close the door and make sure that this is resting in the original like groove right here and not on top. And then once that's done, you just slowly roll the window up until it's snug, and then give some pulls on the vent like outward from the inside here, and make sure it's snug into place. It's very simple. Thank you, Visual Autoworks, for supplying great instructions. So just gonna go ahead and do this one real quick and then show you what they look like. So I had to take off a few more stickers than anticipated, but it's no big deal because they're vinyls, they can be remade. It's very simple. I have multiple pictures of what used to be there, so I'll just have to get the vinyls remade. It's not a big deal, but here they are. It kind of looks weird with just the two right there. They look pretty sweet. I really like them. I think they're simple, but they add more depth to the car, if that makes any sense. Yeah, it definitely looks really clean over here without any of the stickers, but I liked the white vinyls. I think it looked really nice when they were like almost full, but we'll get back to that and make it look like it used to. All right, so my dad got the muffler all cut up to where he needed it. The next step is to go to the store and get a muffler about the same size, and then also get a pipe about the same size. Without any muffler and that straight dump that you heard earlier, it's so loud. I never heard a Miata that loud, so we're gonna go get a pipe and see how that sounds, and then if that's still too loud, we'll use the muffler we bought. But I know he likes it being a little louder, so fingers crossed for super loud Miata. So let's go. All right, so we're back from the store. We got everything that we should need to attach this muffler to the Miata. Bunch of hose clamps for various things, adapters, a pipe spreader tool, and then the actual new muffler at itself. So realistically right now it's just sizing this up to fit onto the Miata. So there's gonna be some cutting, some placement of pipes, and trial and error. So we got this pipe adapter piece into the muffler. Now we're gonna take this really cool pipe spreader and put it inside of that pipe, and then that hooks onto the impact and you spread. So let's give this a shot. All right, so that little spreader tool that you get from an Advanced or an AutoZone or whatnot did not end up working. It just requires so much torque that, or the impact gun wouldn't do it, a breaker bar wouldn't do it. So my dad does know a guy who has a muffler shop. He's gonna go down there and see if they will spread the pipe for him. And once it's spread, it'll work. It's just spreading that pipe was like impossible with the little AutoZone tool. It was worth a shot to not have to go down to a muffler shop, but it's no big deal. Unfortunately, I have to get going, so right now I won't be able to see what it sounds like. Definitely gonna get a clip of the exhaust once it's done. It may be in another video, but I know it's gonna sound a lot better. We did end up going with a muffler instead of just a pipe, whatever. Super excited to see how that comes out. The vents look awesome. I think I'm excited to actually go take pictures of and make them look really nice. But for now, all you get to see is them in the garage. So